Everyone thinks the best-selling fish finders are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Lucky Kayak Portable Fish Depth Finder. First up is the Lucky Kayak Portable Fish Depth Finder. Priced at just $42.99, this little device caught my eye with its compact design and portability. If you want an affordable way to locate fish and gauge water depth, this is worth a serious look. This fish finder features a 2-inch LCD display that shows fish location and water depth, with a range from 3 feet to 328 feet. The sonar transducer can be attached to your kayak, which is super handy for tracking depth changes while you're on the move. It also displays information about weeds, rocks, and sand at the bottom, which is crucial when you're trying to figure out where the fish might be hiding. Plus, it has a backlight for visibility in both sunlight and darkness. Now, some users mentioned that the screen size can be a bit small for detailed readings. Here's the thing though, it's meant to be portable and easy to use. So if you're looking for something compact that doesn't take up much space, it's still a great choice. This is perfect for you if you enjoy fishing from a kayak or just want a simple device to help you find fish without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a more advanced setup for serious fishing trips. Honestly, at this price, you get a lot of value for your money. Now, if the portability of Lucky's Fish Finder caught your attention, the next one takes convenience to another level. Product number 2, Venterior Portable Rechargeable Fish Finder. Next up is the Venterior Portable Rechargeable Fish Finder, priced at $87.99. This caught my attention with its wireless sonar sensor and vibrant color display. If you want ease of use combined with decent features, this one's worth considering. What's great about the Venterior is that it has a wireless sonar probe that can be cast up to 262 feet away. This means you don't need to drill holes in your boat to get it working. It detects water depth, temperature, and even fish size, small, medium, or big, making it a versatile tool for all types of fishing. The 2.6-inch color TFT display also adjusts for sunlight or nighttime conditions, which is super helpful. However, I did notice some complaints about the battery life not lasting as long as expected. Now, here's the thing. If you're fishing for several hours straight, it might be an issue, but if you plan short outings, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich fish finder without the complexities of installation. Skip this one if you're looking for something to use for long, uninterrupted fishing sessions. For what it offers, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious anglers who need more detailed information. Product number 3. Humminbird 411,660 to 1 Helix 5-chirp GPS G3. The third product on our list is the Humminbird 411,660 to 1 Helix 5-chirp GPS G3, priced at $306. This one really stands out with its advanced chirp sonar technology and built-in GPS. If you're looking for a more professional-grade fish finder, this is worth a look. The Helix 5 features dual-spectrum chirp sonar, which gives you a clear view of fish and underwater structures. This is crucial when you're trying to identify where the fish are hiding. It also boasts GPS navigation with coverage of over 10,000 lakes, making it easier to find your favorite fishing spots. Plus, the real-time mapping feature allows you to create your own maps of depth contours while you're out on the water, which is pretty impressive. Now, some users did find the setup process a bit complicated, especially for first-time users. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. Once it's set up, the interface becomes intuitive and the performance is top-notch. This is perfect for you if you're serious about fishing and want a tool that offers advanced features for better results. Skip this one if you're just occasional fishing and don't need all those bells and whistles. Considering its quality, it's a good investment for dedicated anglers. Now, if the tech-heavy features of the Helix 5 don't feel right for you, the next product offers a simpler approach. Product number 4, Humminbird Piranhamax 4. Next is the Humminbird Piranhamax 4 Fish Finder, coming in at $140.50. This one grabbed my attention because of its down imaging capability and user-friendly interface. If you want reliable performance without going overboard on the budget, this is definitely worth considering. The Piranha Max 4 uses down imaging technology to provide a clear picture of what's below your boat, including timber and rocks, which is great for identifying fish holding structures. The dual beam sonar lets you switch between narrow and wide views, helping you find fish effectively. And with a 4.3-inch color display, it's easy to read even in bright sunlight. One downside some reviews pointed out is that the mounting hardware can be a bit flimsy. But honestly, if you handle it with care, this shouldn't impact your fishing experience too much. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward fish finder that gives you quality feedback without needing a degree in marine electronics. Skip this one if you need advanced mapping features or GPS. For the price, it offers great value for beginner to intermediate anglers. Alright, that was a solid choice, but if you fancy something even more portable, check out the next product. Product number 5. Reel Sonar iBobber. Finally, we have the Reel Sonar iBobber, priced at $89.99. This caught my eye because of its unique Bluetooth capability and app integration. If you want a fish finder that's super portable and tech-savvy, this one's a great pick. The iBobber connects to your smartphone, allowing you to see depth readings and fish locations directly on your device. It has a depth range of 135 feet and a battery life of over 10 hours, making it an excellent companion for long fishing trips. The fish alarm feature even alerts you when fish are near, which is a nice touch. However, some users pointed out issues with connectivity at times. Here's the thing. Once you establish a connection, it generally works well, but you might need to reconnect occasionally, which can be a bit annoying. This is perfect for you if you love using technology to enhance your fishing experience and want something lightweight that's easy to carry. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional, standalone devices. Given its features, it's a solid value for tech-savvy anglers. So there you have it. We've covered the Lucky Kayak Portable Fish Depth Finder, Venterior Rechargeable Fish Finder, Humminbird Helix 5, Humminbird Piranha Max 4, and the Reel Sonar iBobber. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer great value for budget-conscious fishing enthusiasts. Choose one based on your fishing style and preferences, and you'll be well on your way to a successful day on the water.